Hello and welcome to Open House. I'm Mr. Danner. I teach driver education at South Campus. Also do teach some PE classes and coach track and field and cross country. So a couple important items. So this fall is unique for us. We're normally a three-phase program where we have classroom, we have driving range, and we have behind the wheel. So when we're in remote, everything is classroom. We're in the process of beginning to bring some kids in after Labor Day who still needed a drive from the spring semester. We hope that will enable us to, this semester and into next semester, be driving with the fall students that are currently in driver education right now. So it will take a little bit of time for us to work our way through this, but hopefully we can stay on schedule with them and they can finish with their behind the wheel in classroom within that 9-month period that they must hold their permit. So hopefully it will not delay them getting their license. So you need 30 hours in the classroom and you need 6 hours behind the wheel. So those are the main requirements. The only grade that appears on the report card is the classroom grade. Behind the wheel grade does not appear on the report card. Attendance is necessary. So as I said, they need 30 hours in the classroom. So if a kid is not attending Zoom classes, they will not get credit for the class. Classroom grade, the straight scale, 90 to 100 an A. Test retakes, we do offer test retakes in driver education. So if they do poorly on tests, they need to contact us. We may have them do some study materials and then they can retake the test. Okay, so when is my student eligible to get their license? Students, as I said, must have their permit for 9 months and 1 day. That's a state law. That's not the LT rule. They must be 16. We've had, unfortunately, kids go down there at 15 thinking they can get their license as soon as they pass class. It's not the case. They have to be 16. Must complete 50 hours of driving with you. So on the log sheet, that needs to be documented, and 10 of those hours must be at night. Okay, on our website, go to driver education. There's a link to the Illinois State Board of Education. So kids can type in the permit number, and when we're done, wait a week or two, type that in, and it will show up approved. If it's not approved, then there's a problem. Contact our driver ed secretary, and we'll try to get it sorted out. Don't go down there to try to get your license at the Secretary of State's office. There's a long wait. They have a lot of issues right now with COVID without checking to make sure they're approved. Curfew, yes, 10 o'clock during the school week and 11 o'clock at weekends. So their license is invalid, permit invalid after curfew. Cell phones, no use of cell phones, period. So texting, checking Facebook, all of that, plus no hands-free until you're 19. So at 19, you can connect with the Bluetooth and legally drive. Okay, number of passengers. When a student gets their license at 16, they can only have one other teenage passenger in the car, excluding siblings and step-siblings. This is a fairly new law, so as parents, you may not be familiar with that. Okay, again, here's our LTHS driver ed website. So class resources, it has a lot of links here. The log sheet that they need to drive with you and fill out information. And down here, ISBE driver ed status inquiry. So that's what I said they should check before they go down and try to get their license. Okay, contact information. The best way to contact us is email. If your student has a question, it's probably easier now on Canvas for them just to send me a message on Canvas and I can respond to that. Thanks for attending Virtual House. Have a good evening.